Hello students, this is Amudan from Computer Technology, SNS Arts College. I'm going to give a lecture about network components. The last class we have seen the transmission media, and now we are going to see network components. What are the network components? What is the network components? The network components are the building blocks of any communication network. They include both hardware and software that work together to ensure data transmission, routing, security, and reliability. The major categories include end device, transmission media, internet working device, and network device. The proper configuration and interaction among these elements ensures seamless communication between user and system across local and global networks. What is the end device? End device refer to the hardware used by users to access network resources. End device refers to the hardware used by user to access network resources. These include computers, laptops, smartphones, and printers, servers, and tablets. They generate, send, receive, and consume data. These devices usually have a network interface cards that allow them to connect to wired or wireless networks. End devices are the primary sources and destination for your network communications. So end devices are the primary sources and destination for the network communications. Next, the network interface card. The network interface card are hardware components embedded into the computer or connected extremely to enable communication over a network. Each NIC has a unique MAC address which helps identify device within a local area network. NIC can support Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and or other technologies. They act as translator between the internal computer data and the data sent over the network. So network interface card is a hardware component that embedded into the computer or connected externally to enable communication over a network. Then local area, NIC support Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or other technologies. Transmission media, already we have seen, this is a wireless, it's a physical path between the center and receiver network. It includes wide media like coaxial, twisted pair cables, and fiber optics, and wireless like radio, infrared, and microwave. Each media offer different bandwidth, latency, and interference resistance levels. Hubs and switches. Hubs and switches are devices used to connect multiple devices in a network. A hub broadcasts data to all connected devices, causing collisions and inefficiency. A switch, on the other hand, intelligently sends data only to the intended recipient using MAC address. A switch intelligently sends the data only to the intent recipient using MAC address. Switches are faster, more secure, and widely used in modern networks. So hubs and switches are devices used to connect multiple devices and send data the intended recipient using MAC address. The routers and gateways. Router or device that connect different networks such as home, LAN to the internet. They determine the best path for the data packets based on IP addresses. Gateway perform similar roles but can also translate protocols between the different systems. Router device connect different networks such as home, LAN to the network. The gateway perform similar roles but can also translate protocol between the different systems. They work on multiple layers of the OSI model. Next, modems and access point. A modem modulates and demodulates digital data over telephone lines or cable for internet access. It connects a network to the ISP. An access point allows wireless devices to connect to wired network. It connects network to the ISP, and access point allows wireless device to connect a wired network using Wi-Fi. It acts as a bridge between wired and wireless network. Network protocols and services. What is the protocols? The protocols is nothing but it is a rules and regulations. A protocol define rules for communication. Examples including TCP/IP, HTTP, FTP, and DNS service like DHCP assign IP address dynamically. While DNS resolve domain names to IP address. Domain name system resolve. DNS means domain name system resolves domain name to IP addresses. These protocols and service ensure interoperability and smooth functioning across heterogeneous device and systems in a network environment. So some of these are the some of examples of the protocol: transfer control protocol, internet protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, FTP, and DNS, DHCP. It is a dynamically host control protocol. Next, firewall and network security system. A firewall monitor controlling incoming outgoing traffic based on security rules. Then it prevent unauthorized access access and can be hardware or software based. Other security components include intrusion detection system, prevention system. So the firewall says monitor, it control incoming and outgoing traffic. So students, what is the network component means? The component network interface card and end service system. What are the components including hardware and software? Network interface cards, transmission media, and hubs and switches, routers and gateways, modem and access points, and network services like protocols, and firewall and network security device, which is a monitor incoming and outgoing class. Thank you. Next class we will see the next topic. Thank you very much.